There are many artists in the world today who make the music we love to listen to and the videos we love to watch. Sadly, many artists today are not given due recognition for their compositions and works. As you can imagine, many musicians never receive the fair and rightful credits they deserve. For example, many musicians can't count on dependable revenue because people can stream or download their music freely, and the payout structure is severely flawed. Also, the traditional media platforms worsen this issue, as they're only after increasing their advertising revenues, while hardly providing adequate incentives to their media creators and users. Ask yourself a few basic questions. Why should I, as an artist, labor so much but get so little? Can't I get a platform where I'll always get the credit I deserve for my work? Well, I welcome you to VibraVid, a music and video sharing platform designed to ensure all artists and even their fans get adequate incentives for their work and contributions in its ecosystem. With VibraVid, you can upload, store, market, lease, or even sell your content to users. You can also crowdfund and sell merchandise and event tickets directly to your subscribers and fans. This is how it works. We combine VibraVid with a cryptocurrency called BeatzCoin to produce a unique experience, one where we're able to provide a platform that allows creators and users to have a means of exchange. You can direct your fans to your VibraVid page and set the price for listening, purchasing, or viewing your content. You may also allow ads where content creators and users can earn additional income. The BeatzCoin earned can be used for different transactions as well as promoting your content. Our smart contracts allow you to provide incentivized bounties to your loyal fans and help gain new ones in no time. It's now up to you to choose between working for free and getting rewarded for your labor. Learn more at beatscoin.io to get started.